Is Netflix a value stock?
You know, it could start to enter the territory of value stock. I don't think Netflix is going away. I think that Netflix, definitely rode the wave of the work from home trade, where everybody was kind of subscribing to all these different services and had them on various devices. And then, as Joe just said, you have these stocks that double, and then they cut in half. And I think that, Netflix is sort of one of those that will probably look like a value stock soon. It's not one of the ones I'm looking to get into per se. I actually like the more classic mega cap tech semiconductor types of stocks now. I think that they're going to start to work, and I think that the opportunities are really in that space.
Give me some names. Do you like Microsoft?
Yeah, so I like Microsoft. So Microsoft year to date is down, mid 20% or so, and they've got a great story there. So first of all, they have great free cash flow, about 63 billion. They beat on EPS. They had 2.2 versus 1.06. The company is strong in cloud, 32% year over year revenue growth in cloud. They're doing some acquisitions, so they're going to play in cyber. They're going to be positioned perhaps with Activision Blizzard in the metaverse gaming world. And I just think that the world has changed. You have these issues where you can't find people to work for you, and factories have become sort of less efficient without technology. There hasn't been enough investment in that space. And I think that that's a name that really plays there and will reward you in the long run.
Hey, Sylvia, here's the hard part to figure out, I think, which is you've seen some companies already start to tell us, that earnings are going to be worse than expected. Do you start to see that? Is this a one-quarter situation, two-quarter situation, or do you think there's a much longer-term situation?
I think it all depends on what happens essentially with the Fed and whether or not we see that soft landing. The mix of aggressive tightening and a soft landing feels a little bit like a contradiction. And I think that, that's what we're seeing play out in the markets. The markets are uncertain, investors are uncertain, and you're not seeing money really come into the market and being put back into play to get that, either short-term massive bull run or, starting to see a recovery. But I think what happens with these companies, especially the big tech cap names and the big semiconductor names, and just companies that are well positioned in terms of quality, balance sheet, margin expansion, things like that, is that they're going to survive this. They typically do. They have historically. Will they see slower earnings growth in the near term? They will, but that tends to recover in a year or two. If you kind of look at just the recession numbers and contraction numbers, the names that tend to pull back 20 to 40%, it takes them about a year to kind of recover and get back to earnings growth potential. So again, it goes back to not being able to call a bottom, but seeing a lot of the top names in the market just being destroyed and thinking about dollar cost averaging in for the long term. These names aren't going away.